Welcome to AssistEdge RPA How-To video series. In this video, we will learn how to develop a microbot. In AssistEdge RPA, a microbot is the reusable piece of custom code used to perform automation. It is used in scenarios when a user wants to perform tasks for which there are not any activities available in the automation studio. Creating and using a microbot involves 3 steps. Developing the code of a microbot in Visual Studio and generating the DLL file. Creating the microbot in Automation Studio using the DLL file. And using the microbot in a process by adding the microbot activity. In this video, we will understand the first step of the microbot process that involves developing the code of a microbot in Visual Studio and generating the DLL file. Let's understand how to develop the code for a microbot that creates a dynamic folder on the file system. Let's look at these steps in detail. Open Visual Studio and create a class library project. Right-click on References and add the references of AssistEdge DLLs. Browse se.core.automation.interfaces and se.core.automation.models present inside the bin folder of AssistEdge RPA Automation Studio. Implement the IAE code package interface using se.core.automation.interfaces. This implements the execution completed event and execute method of the IAE code package interface. For the folder creation scenario, let's define the microbot's input and output parameters. The drive path on which the folder is to be created should be passed as an input along with the folder's name. And upon code execution, the message of folder creation should be returned as an output. Create a .NET property for the input parameter and define it with the custom attribute of argument direction. Direction is equal to direction type.input. Similarly, create a .NET property for the output parameter and define it with the custom attribute argument direction. Direction equals to direction type.output. Define the custom code that creates a dynamic folder in the execute method. Once the custom code execution is completed, an execution completed event is raised. Compile the project and make a note of the generated microbot's DLL file. That's all from this how-to video. In the next video, let's understand how to create the microbot in the Automation Studio using the DLL file generated in this video. Thank you.